वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश लर्निंग इंस्टीट्यूट। तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं कुछ इंग्लिश के सेंटेंसेस जो आप अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। दीज आर वेरी शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल, यू इजीली रिमाइंड इट। सो without wasting time, we start our video. But before, if you're new in this channel, so please subscribe our channel and never forget to hit the bell icon. So start करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास सेंटेंस है, I don't say that words. I don't say that words. मैंने ये लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल नहीं किए। मैंने ये लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल नहीं किए। I don't say that words. He looks like you. He looks like you. वो आपकी तरह लगता है। He looks like you. If I am not mistaken. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ। If I am not mistaken. अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ। Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. डरो मत। Don't be afraid. What do you think of yourself? आप अपने आप को क्या जानते हैं? What do you think of yourself? Do something for me. मेरे लिए कुछ करो। Do something for me. Can you speak English? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? You don't have to hurry. You don't have to hurry. आपको जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं। You don't have to hurry. Can you hear me clearly? क्या आप मुझे साफ सुन सकते हो? Can you hear me clearly? Tell me that. ये मुझे बताओ। Tell me that. I don't know anything about him. मैं उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता। I don't know anything about him. Do you remember it? Do you remember it? क्या आपको वो याद है? क्या आपको याद है? I have to think. मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा। I have to think. I have to go now. I have to go now. मुझे अब जाना होगा। I have to go now. I have to do it. मुझे ये करना है। I have to do it. Will you help me or not? Will you help me or not? क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे या नहीं? You can tell me. You can tell me. आप मुझे बता सकते हैं। You can tell me. I told him. मैंने उसे बताया। I told him. Forgive me. Forgive me. मुझे माफ़ कर दो। Forgive me. Help me. मेरी मदद करो। Help me. Is it far away? Is it far away? क्या ये दूर है? Is it far away? I have to go. मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I am reading books. I am reading books. मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am reading books. Not at home. घर पर नहीं। Not at home. I was trying. मैं कोशिश कर रहा था। I was trying. Please speak up. Please speak up. Please बात करें। Please speak up. It was the at least I could do. It was the at least I could do. इतना तो मैं कर ही सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ। It was the at least I could do. Anything for you. आपके लिए कुछ भी। Anything for you. It's my player. A player is all mine. It's my player और player is all mine. मेरे लिए खुशी की बात है। I had better be going. I had better be going. मुझे अब चले जाना चाहिए। I had better be going. So friends, these are some simple sentences you need to remind it. Okay? मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।